In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the Shopify admin area. This is where you manage your products, orders, themes, settings, and everything related to your online store. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify website. Once you're on the home page, click the login button located at the top right corner. Next, enter the email address connected to your Shopify account. After that, type in your password and continue signing in. If your account is connected to Google, you can also choose Continue with Google for faster access. Once logged in, Shopify will automatically take you to your Shopify admin dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you can manage products, orders, customers, apps, themes, analytics, and store settings. You can also directly access your admin page anytime by typing your store URL followed by /admin in your browser. For example, yourstore.myshopify.com/admin. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the Shopify admin area. Thanks for watching.